Alright, so we're here in Manassas, Virginia. We just did a pre-vacuum. Actually made the carpets look a lot better. So this is the carpets that we're cleaning today. This is going to be a total restoration. Once again, we're going to be using probiotics solution. Works really darn well. Uses good bacteria to eliminate We're going to try to restore these carpets to the best of our ability. Make sure the client is happy. We're not doing the stairs today. Alright, so this is it. Alright, so this neighborhood carpet cleaners again. We just finished up here in Manassas. And as you can see, total restoration. This looks really good. The client's gonna be so happy. This is the kind of work we do, guys. Simple. Take our time, use the right products. Make sure carpets come out really good. They didn't do the stairs today. Looks amazing.